I got Mojo Chicken today. We're gonna cook it up with live fire. That's right, open fire over my little portable fire pit. And you know, most people, when they make Mojo Chicken, they'll marinate it. And that's a fine way to do it. I've done it that way many times. We're out here camping in Mosquito Lagoon. I didn't think to marinate it. So what we're going to do is make a Mojo glaze for it. You gotta stay with me. This recipe is going to be awesome. I've got some chicken quarters here. We're just going to score them. The only reason to do this, just get a little bit more of that flavor down in there. Now you can decide if you want to cut stuff like this off or leave it on. But I'm just going to score up 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like I got 5 of these. And then we'll season them. Got a little adobo here. Going to hit each one up with a little of this. Now I'm going to come in with some of this tropical sazon. Same thing, both sides, each piece of chicken. Looking forward to this cook. And then I'm just going to come in with the sprinkling of chipotle chili powder. You can skip this step if you want. It's going to make it look awesome with some color. And of course, it's going to give it that chipotle flavor. Now I'm just going to rub my grill grate here with a little olive oil I've got on a paper towel. I should have had a glove so that wouldn't be flying around, but I don't. Put that down in there. Let's get our chicken quarters on here. We'll just move this away till that fire cools down a little bit. Here I've got 5 freshly squeezed clementines. There's juice of 1 lime in there. And now I'm going to put a 1/2 cup. This is chopped pineapple. I had 2 slices of pineapple. I had 2 tablespoons of cilantro and then just a little water to blend it up. Here we've got some cumin. I would say that's a teaspoon. And I would say that's close to another teaspoon. Then I'm going to come in with some chili powder. About a teaspoon, maybe 2/3. And then a little salt, pepper, garlic. About a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of that. And then we'll just give it a stir. And let this heat up. And all these flavors blend in together. And then let's add a little honey into our sauce. That's about 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons, 3 maybe. Let's have a look here. I've glazed the top of these once. Yeah, look at that beautiful color. Let's have a look here. There's what she's looking like. I want to sauce up this top side. Let them keep cooking till they get up to about 165. Then we'll take them off and let them rest. Maybe even a couple degrees before 165. Let's get our sauce right down here. Now we're going to put some fruit on here. Grill up some pineapple to go with this. Some oranges. This is going to be so good. Some limes. Our chicken is probing 165. It's looking beautiful. We're going to get it off, let it rest a bit, and do a taste test. Now to finish these guys off, I'm going to put a little bit of this, I can't say it, mezzacajete, however you say it. This is a smoky hot sauce. It is not real spicy. Chicken's been resting about 10 minutes. I'm just going to dig in with a fork. Look at that, nice and juicy. It sure as heck smells good. Spot on right there. Juicy, you get sweetness, you know, from the fruit, from the honey, it goes without saying. I get a little, I'll call it tart. I'm guessing that's from the lime. And then you get a little salty flavor from those seasonings we made. And hey, let's try a little grilled pineapple. You know, grilled pineapple rocks. Perfect summer backyard recipe. I hope you give it a try. Hey, got 2 more chicken recipes down below.